We are in a practical class and we are going to cook pilau as our main meal because we, as a artisan class, we don't have starters. So we are going to start with the main meal. We have the main meal, the dessert and coffee only. So we are going to cook pilau with carroted cabbage, and we have a plain cake as our dessert and also American coffee. So before you do anything, you're supposed to prepare your ingredients. Make sure that you grate carrots, you chop the onions and tomatoes, and also you shred the cabbage. Assemble all the ingredients for pilau. Should be having cooking oil, onions, tomatoes. Should be having the grounded pilau masala, garlic powder, and also we have cumin seeds. We have pilau masala powder again. We have different types of pilau masalas, and that's what we are going to use. And also we have our black pepper. We have peas, we have ginger and garlic, and also we have beef here with us. So you are going to start with cooking oil. After it has heat, you put in the onions. After it has browned, you add the tomatoes, and also you leave to cook gently as you stir in. Okay? Yeah. So after that, you add your beef, then also you stir, you add all the ingredients inside as you stir so that it will not stick on the pan. And then after that, you wash rice nicely, then you pour in as you stir. After stirring up, you pour the water inside. You measure water first. So make sure that the water you are using is boiled water. You don't use the cold water, okay? Yeah. So you are supposed to prepare that way. Then you mix each and every ingredient inside. You make sure that you stir nicely after pouring water. Then you cook gently. Now we are on our last part. We are serving. We are molding our food. We start from carbohydrates and then protein, because our protein is with our pilau now. So we are going to serve and welcome. Thank you for watching on us. Welcome next time.